Sometimes the most powerful revenge is silence. You don't need to beg. You don't need to explain. And you definitely don't need to chase anyone who chose to walk away. When someone loses you, they may not realize your value immediately, but over time, your absence begins to speak louder than your words ever could. The truth is, people only understand what they had when it's no longer available. If someone took your love for granted, if they ignored your loyalty, if they walked away as if you meant nothing, then these 7 silent ways will make them deeply regret losing you. 1. Disappear without drama. Don't argue. Don't send long emotional messages. Don't try to prove your worth. Simply step back. Silence creates a mystery that explanations never can. When you disappear peacefully, they start wondering, why are you no longer reaching out? Why are you no longer available? Why do you seem so unaffected? And that question begins to haunt them. 2. Improve yourself quietly. The greatest response to rejection is self-improvement. Work on your body. Strengthen your mind. Build your future. Learn new skills. Become more disciplined. Become more attractive. Become more confident. When they see you glowing without them, they realize they lost someone truly valuable. Success is a silent message that says, you underestimated me. I'd almost stop watching their life. Don't check their social media. Don't ask mutual friends about them. Don't react to every post. When you stop paying attention, you take back your power. They begin to notice your absence. And suddenly, the person who always cared is no longer looking. That silence creates insecurity. They start wondering if you've moved on. 4. Protect your peace. Nothing is more attractive than inner calm. Refuse to let bitterness consume you. Refuse to let anger control you. Heal in private, grow in silence, smile genuinely. When they see that losing them didn't destroy you, they begin to question their decision. Your peace becomes proof that you were stronger than they thought. Shall become less accessible. Stop being instantly available. Stop answering every message. Stop making them your priority. When your presence becomes rare, your value increases. People often ignore what is always available, but they deeply miss what they can no longer reach. Distance reveals your importance. 6. Build meaningful connections. Spend time with people who respect you, people who appreciate your kindness, people who recognize your worth. When you surround yourself with genuine relationships, you no longer need validation from the one who lost you. And when they see others valuing you, they realize what they threw away. 7. Never beg to be chosen. The most powerful thing you can do is walk away with dignity. Never beg for love. Never force someone to see your worth. Never lower your standards to keep someone. The right people won't need convincing, and the wrong people will eventually regret losing someone who truly cared.